Sup everyone, this is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, and we're coming at you with another video that will help you take control of your financial destiny. Y'all know the drill by now. We talked about personal finance and apps that involve money, and we're going to be talking about the Sofi banking app and how you can link a bank account. You want to start off by opening the Sofi app up, and from here you want to click the banking tab. Once here, click the dots in the top right hand corner and click on linked bank accounts. Once here, it has the option for you to link a new bank account. Click on it. And the way they link bank accounts to each other is by using Plaid. So you need to agree that you're okay using Plaid. And then click on Get Started. From here, type in the bank that you bank with. In this case, I'm going to link to Ally. Then you log in using that bank's login information. Your accounts will then pop up and you can select which one that you want to link. In this case, I'm going to choose to link my savings account, and the account linking is in progress. And as you can see, the account has been linked to Sofi. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Give this video a thumbs up if you found value in it. And you'll want to consider checking out my Sofi playlist that's also linked in the description and the pinned comment if you want more tutorials on how to navigate this banking app. I'll catch you in the next video, and don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.